Here we are going to do a Learn Revit Fast trailer video lesson in Revit 2025 for Conduit, and we will do fitting based. So Conduit right off the bat has bent conduit and fitting based conduit. So we're going to start with a electrical template. In my recent files screen, I've disabled it. You can go turn that on. So I have it so it doesn't just show all my recent projects in here, but you can turn that on. You'll see little tiles in here. So I'm going to say new project. This is critical, and you'll have your own company version, but I want to use an electrical template or something that's been built electrically because I need those parts in there. And I also need all the electrical settings for wire sizes and distribution and stuff like that we're not going to talk about here. It opens us up in a lighting view. I'm going to switch over to a power view by double clicking. You can see there's our two views that are open. And I'm in an electrical project, and with that comes all my conduit stuff. So you'll notice, first of all, conduit has conduit with fittings. That's what we'll do. And without fittings, which is bent conduit. So we have RMC and EMT versions of the fitting-based conduit and the without fitting. That's the way Autodesk makes it. So we're going to use this style over here. I'm going to switch, and that has all the fittings in here that are also located here. So these are the fittings, these are the conduit, just like pipe and duct. So I'm going to open up my power view, and I'm going to go to my system tab up top, and my conduit tool is right there. I could right click and add that to my quick access toolbar if I want. That'll put it up on my quick access toolbar in here, and I can actually move my quick access toolbar down below my screen, and there's my conduit tool that I just put on there. Click. Now check your dials and everything over here. Some of the stuff that's in here is also repeated up in here. Main thing is I'm going to pick my conduit type in here. So I'm going to say conduit with fittings. I wish this was not so faded. Conduit with fittings, and you have 4 different types. So there's the PVC SCED 40 stuff in here. I'm just going to use this EMT one right off the top with fittings. So it comes with elbows instead of bent elbows. So I'm almost ready to go. I'm going to check my size. Maybe I'll size it down to, 2.5. And let's say I'm coming off the side of an electrical panel. I'm in an empty drawing here. Let's say I come off at, 4 feet. I'll just type in a 4. So I'll kind of zoom in with my wheel button, and I'll pick a point and I'll start to draw. Now I'm in single line because of my detail level. I'll fix that after. So here I'm traveling at 4 feet off of my panel, and I go a certain distance. And you have to make sure you have enough room to get these fittings in here, because conduit have big sweeping elbows. So spacing between elbows is important. So I'll go over a certain distance, and then maybe I will go back up to my 9 feet. Okay, as I go up to my 9 feet, I can, because it's radius stuff, I can just turn a corner at the same time, and it puts a riser in there. And now I'm up at, 9 feet. I can pan out and zoom. Again, using my shift key if I want to make sure I'm straight. That's what the ortho does. So shift key to keep it straight. Traveling along, away I go again using my shift key. Okay, and then I can right click and hit cancel once, and I can start a new piece now at 9 feet. I can pull a branch off of here if I want. Oh, look at the weird angle. Okay, I'm going to hit escape right away, do another one. Nice and straight. I'll get rid of that one. I'll show you how I can fix it. Hit escape. Okay, and right click cancel again. Now a little mistake in here. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this and hit my delete button. Click delete. I can window this whole area and delete it. And now I can go to modify and use this trim tool right here under modify. And because they're dead center right now, I can trim these and it'll heal them back together. See how I fix that? Notice my icon on my mouse. Okay, right click cancel or escape. Now let's switch our detail level to be fine detail. Go to my 3D view up inside of here. And there's my conduit. And again, I can go to my fine detail on there. And there's my little conduit. If I want to pull a piece off of the low point over here, I can start my conduit tool. Okay, I can click on here. Notice it's starting me up high. I can hit my space bar and it'll bump me down or go back up or down. So using my shift key, I can pull off of here. It'll put a junction box, hit escape once or right click cancel. Now I want to come off of here. Not that this is realistic, but I could pick on over here. Now I'm up high, watch. Space bar and then shift to keep it straight coming off of there. Okay, escape, or cancel. And there's my conduit. Now notice that these are fittings right in here. Okay, it's fitting based instead of bent. Bent would be one big piece. It's a little different family. So fitting based conduit.